Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is officially fall and we have now been in our new home for almost 3 months. I haven't done any decorating over the summer since we have been unpacking and working on house projects the past few months. We still have boxes sitting around, but nonetheless, I am so excited to decorate for the fall to make this house feel like our home, even though we are far from having a fully furnished house. I also have my little helper today, so that means we will be taking several breaks in between. I had this basket over here with some pumpkins for a flat lay, and that lasted about 30 seconds before Ray came for it. And while I was taking these pictures, she left me a bit of a mess to clean up too, but yeah, mom life. So I'm going to set the mood by lighting up this pumpkin spice candle from Target. It was only $10 and I love how you can keep this frosted jar afterwards for other purposes. So let's get started on the front of the house. I got this beautiful wreath from HomeGoods and I love that it's very full looking and I love all the autumn details on it as well. I'm hanging this up with a plaid ribbon I picked up at Michael's, and by the way, I will link some of the products that can be found online in the description box below. I like using a ribbon to hang a wreath than a metal wreath hanger because one, a ribbon simply looks prettier than a big metal hanger, and you can also choose whatever ribbon to match with your wreath, and secondly, you can ensure that your door will close all the way because the ribbon is much thinner than a piece of metal. All you need is some ribbon and an adhesive command hook out of metal because that's heavier duty than the plastic one, and you just have to stick the command hook upside down on the inside of your door, then loop your ribbon through your wreath and position where you want your wreath to hang, and then just tie a bow to the hook, and that's it. So now I'm replacing the doormat with a Halloween themed mat. I also probably should have washed the rug underneath because it looks pretty dirty, but that'll just have to wait for another time. Picked up this doormat from a local at-home store, and this is probably the only Halloween touch to my fall decorations. I'm not really into spooky things, but perhaps when Ray gets older she might request a spooky theme one year, but for now it's just very fall and autumn decor. I picked up these haystack in large and medium sizes to give it some height difference to lay the faux pumpkins on them. I used to decorate with real pumpkins, but then it became so messy to clean up from the squirrels and birds attacking it, and I'd rather just not deal with rotten pumpkins afterwards. So I kept the wrapping on the haystack while I was decorating since I didn't know how to position it yet and didn't want hay flying everywhere, but I did remove the wrapping at the end. Also added these perennial flowers to give it a pop of color. And of course, after this, we had to do a quick mini photo shoot of Ray in her cute little fall outfit with some pumpkins. Then my parents also came by to visit Ray, so we took a little break from decorating and ordered some pizza. Now moving on to the deck, I picked up these storage baskets from HomeGoods to store Ray's outdoor toys in the small basket, and I'm using the large basket to store the furniture covers. And as you can see right here, Ray just tripped over her own feet. She is so active now and constantly wants to run, even though she's not 100% good at walking, but for the most part she's usually fine, but early this morning she fell flat on her face and ended up with a huge cut on her chin, and yeah, that was pretty bad this morning, but she's totally okay now. So after some tidying up, which never lasts long with a toddler, I brought out these fall themed pillows to add to the sofa and egg chair. And I also added this super soft throw blanket since it's already been pretty chilly in the mornings. But that's pretty much it for the deck at this time since we are expecting more furniture soon. And then I'll be moving some things around. So after this, we actually took another break for dinner, went on our evening walk and the whole nighttime routine for Ray. So after she was down for the night, I did some more tidying up and added fall touches to the powder room. I replaced my Hawaiian scent candle with this new fall candle, put in a new hand towel, threw a little bit of fall stuff on these shelves that my hubby built recently. So I'm currently still shopping around to add more things here. And this is the family room. It's still the same temporary setup since we moved in. This is our old couch set, and this 5x7 rug used to be in Ray's bedroom from the previous home. I ordered a custom sectional and it's estimated to take 16 weeks. So it should actually be here within the next couple of weeks, which I'm so excited for because I've been waiting so long. And I've also been holding off on ordering more furniture for this living area until my sectional arrives. So I'm only going to decorate the mantle and nothing else below it, because if it's within Ray's reach, then it won't last long at all. I also have our activity centers here next to the fireplace to hide the cables and cords from her until I get a small stand for this area. So I got this garland from Target, and this garland is meant to be hung over the front door, I believe, but I decided to use it here instead. I also picked up this cute owl from At Home and this velvet pumpkin from Home Goods. So I kept here for now until I get a stand for her. Otherwise Ray will just mess with it. But I tried to wrap the leaves around it so it can sort of blend in with the rest of the decoration. So this is what it looks like, guys. And here's a picture of what it looks like during the day. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for decorating with me. I hope this gave you all some fall vibes and motivation to get your decorating on. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Happy fall and happy decorating. I'll catch up with you guys in the next video.